Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. So today I'm presenting a new update for the ultimate web novel and manga scraper. So until now, if you scraped web novels from wuxiaword.site, you were able to use only URLs of the novels to scrape the respective articles and novel chapters. But today the manga scraper was updated and you will be able to use also keyword search to scrape the novels from wuxiaword.site. I am aware that this is now not how you pronounce it. So to exemplify this, we can use keyword search here. So let's check imported manga now. And nothing here. And if we write here Naruto, for example, and hit save settings, then we can run importing, and the scraper will now search for Naruto related web novels and post it to our website. So here it is, the Naruto related web novel is now posted. Also, one chapter has been scraped for it for now. Keep in mind that the scraping will run automatically. You can define the maximum number of chapters you wish to scrape using this, and the maximum number of manga you wish to scrape from this keyword search using this input field. So maximum number of novels to scrape, and you can set here 3, for example, and in this case the plugin will scrape 3 web novels and import 1 chapter for each. So this is how you can control the plugin and how it will post web novels to your site. So as we can see now, after we run importing once again, there are 2 more web novels posted. Instead it should be 3, but probably this keyword did not return 3 web novels for the Wuxiaword site. Okay, now we can go ahead and check the other update that the latest plugin version brings, is that the content will be able to be translated also using Google Translate, Bing Translator, or DeepL Translator. So 3 kinds of translators will be available in the plugin. You will be able to find their settings here in the plugin's main settings, translator options. You can set your Microsoft Translator key, Microsoft Translator region, DeepL Translator key, and if the DeepL key you are using is a free one, check this checkbox. Okay, so after you set this, you will be able to select from here a wide list of translator options. So for example, let's translate to Hungarian, and let's import only 1 manga this time, or web novel, sorry. So let's delete the web novels that we scraped, and if we go to the listing page, nothing will be available here. Also, nothing will be posted anymore here. So let's close up things. And if we rerun now the scraping, the Naruto web novel will be scraped and translated automatically to Hungarian this time. So let's allow this a bit to run, and after the green check mark appeared, here it is, the title and also description of the manga. And if we check the chapter, it is also in Hungarian now, because it is automatically translated using Google Translate. So keep in mind, you can switch to DeepL or to Bing Translator if you wish, because you will see here listed languages. And these are the 2 major updates for the Ultimate Web Novel and Manga Scraper plugin that the latest update will bring. So yeah, let me know guys if you have more ideas for updates for this plugin in the comment section of this video. If you want to check the plugin, it will be linked in the description also. Here it is, you can go and check it right now. Thank you for watching. Until then, have a nice day. Bye bye.